Hiya and welcome to a new video. On my channel I post Disney travel and lifestyle vlogs. If that sounds like something you'd like to watch, please subscribe down below. A year ago I moved into my first year university accommodation and I filmed the process of getting my flat ready. Enjoy! So we've just come into my student accommodation and I love it, it's amazing. I'm going to give you a tour now so that you can see everything. Cool, I can't believe I'm going to be living here. We're heading into IKEA now to get some bits for my room. This one. Oh wow. What's Tom doing here? Oh, that bed is beautiful. Oh, it's gorgeous. We just got stuck in the lift, taking this up into my room. Here's a little update on my room. today I'm officially moving out to university. I'm just about to get ready for bed now, but I'm all alone now. My mum and dad have left, so it's been a very emotional day, but I'm really excited to start uni tomorrow, and it's all very exciting. Thank you so much for watching this video. Moving away from my family for the first time was very emotional, but I had an amazing first year at uni. If you enjoyed watching this video, please like and subscribe down below and have a magical day!